Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I'm super excited to share this new release from the Happy Planner. This is called the Work Plus Life line, and it is like the planners we know and love, but really like classed up for your work environment, or maybe you just have an aesthetic that is more minimal, more streamlined. Then this is going to be the line for you. So in this video, I'm going to flip through this new Work Life Deluxe planner. And then I have sticky notes and flags, sticker fan book, a calendar extension, and a large pouch. So if you are interested in checking those things out, stay tuned. Okay, so let's start with this gorgeous planner. It is packaged beautifully. And the idea is that maybe you love the style of a happy planner. You like the disc system where you can take things in and out, but maybe you don't want the disc shown. Maybe you don't want a colorful cover because you want it to look a little bit more professional in your workplace. So first of all, you have this thick cover. I would say, it's like thicker than your average cardboard cover. And look at how you can't see the discs from the side. You can see them in the back. They're popped into the back here. And then it just opens flat like that. I think that is so pretty. Super simple here on the first page. This is just a beautiful like blush pink, room for your name. You have your calendar right here for 2022 through 2023. This one starts in July. Accounts and passwords, and then your look at the year ahead. I call this like the perpetual calendar. It's not really perpetual because it does have the days of the week marked. Here is your first divider. So this is July. Super simple. On the currently page, it's just your notes. Calendar, again, very, very simple, very straightforward, no extra flair or anything like that. And then take a look. The pages all have the same tab on them. So here, you have your monthly calendar, and then look at this. July goals, to-do list, focus on important dates, like getting set up for the month, and then your weekly layouts. And again, they all have the same tab at the top. It's the disc system that we all love, so you can easily take out your pages, but they are all super simple and just elegant and beautiful. So I love that. So it looks like, yeah, they're all the same, all super simple. So let's take a look at the dividers. Here we have our August divider. A little progress each day adds up to big results. And again, all the pages are cut in that way that it fits perfectly with August. September says stay humble and be kind. October, every season serves a purpose. November, inspiration is all around us if we are willing to look for it. In December, it's a perfect day to start. January, listen to your heart above all voices. February, slow progress is still progress. March, the journey is just as important as the destination. April, don't call it a dream, call it a plan. May, wake up and be excited about life. And June, today can be your day. Then at the back of the planner, you have some stickers, one sticker sheet right here. Again, very classic with the bullet points, a few vertical stickers, so just a few to get started. And then a folder that goes beautifully with the whole set. Okay, so let's see if we can actually take this out. I believe that these discs will pop out of here. So it looks like you can pop them out. I wouldn't pop them in and out a bunch. I think it would kind of tear it up, but they are nice and secure in here. So you can see it's not going to come out of the back. This is just a gorgeous, really, really beautiful, classy planner. So this is the Work Plus Life line. They also have them in black, and I believe they have them in big size planners. Then they have accessories that kind of match with the line. So first we have the sticky notes and flags. Let's open this up. So it says, stay humble and take notes. These are some gorgeous sticky notes. It's that very transparent kind of vellum look that's really popular. I love all of these little ones. And then kind of your classic sticky notes on this side. That is absolutely beautiful. So you can see it just kind of sets right in. That's perfect. It goes just so beautifully together. And then there are new sticker books. So this is a sticker fan book. Let me open this one up. Again, very minimal. It's all kept right in here, but you have bullet points of different sizes, some different corners that you can use to mark dates, some check boxes right here, marking events, hexes, just all of these tiny little icons that go really well in your work planner or just your home planner if you want to do a little bit more minimal look with your planning. Then we have the calendar extension. Let's open it and see what this looks like. So it appears to be 6 months in the calendar extension. You can and you will. These are familiar to us. The journey is just as important as the destination. Don't call it a dream, call it a plan. All of these are going to be undated, so you can set it up for you, and it has the same idea of monthly goals and the setup like that. Let's keep going through to see the dividers. I'm pretty sure they'll be in the same. Live fully in the season you're in. That's beautiful. Today can be your day. Then you have a little progress. Each day adds up to big results. And then in the back, you have these stickers that can help you date all of your things. And then, oh, that's perfect. Look at all of these meetings, appointments, day off, top tasks, happy hour. Those are great. And then a folder that is also very, very simple. So this is a fantastic extension pack to pick up if you are loving this work-life system. This is fabulous. A, for you to give it a try just to see if you like it, and B, to take something like this one and continue it through the rest of 2023. So that is the extension. And then I'm super excited about this. This is the large pouch. You can see that it is this gorgeous blush color. It's this leathery material. You have the clear plastic right there. And it's going to fit so much. Like, you can fit all of your goodies in here, throw some pens in, and you're ready to go. Put it in your work bag. Beautiful. But I also feel like this would be a great like travel cosmetics bag. I just think it's so pretty and classic, and such a gorgeous zipper too that I really, really love. So that I'm super, super excited about. I think this is a beautiful new planner set from the Happy Planner, and I think it really meets the needs of some people that were wanting something a little bit more minimal looking, a little bit more professional looking for bringing into their office, but it's the same layouts that we know and love from the Happy Planner. Work Life Planners, or Work Plus Life line, releases on February the 22nd. Again, over at the Happy Planner, I will have my link in the description box. That is an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you any more, but it does go a long way towards supporting this channel. So if you're considering shopping, I hope you will use that link. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Like I said, links down below. Let me know what you think of this new line. I would love to hear your thoughts on it. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.